so much for subscribing. I'm so glad that I can teach you some things and show you some things and really establish a great little friendship with you. So I just really want to send a great thank you. I do thank you so much for tuning in to this video. This is a sponsored video, and this video is brought to you by HairInbeauty. HairInbeauty. As you see, their website is on point. I had the liberty of styling this multiple times. I am totally way overdue. And I do apologize, HairInbeauty. I have had so much on my plate and I have been totally swamped. But now that I'm here to review this hair. HairInbeauty blessed me with sending me one of their great packages. And inside of this package that says 20 years manufacturing experience, significant stock factory price, drop shipping, affordable, 3 to 5 working days delivery, 24 hours shipping out, 30 days, no reason to return. Quality 100% virgin hair, can be dyed or bleached, minimum shedding and no tangle, no chemical process. The correct way to care for virgin hair. Before shampooing, please use the correct method to comb the hair gently with the wide tooth comb. Use any shampoo or any specific non-chemically treated for the hair. Run the hair under warm water and after placing a small amount of shampoo, stroking downward from the top of the weft to the ends. Do not twist or scrub with hand. When cleaning, rinse in warm water. Be sure to rinse until cleaned, as improper rinse could result into damaging the hair. Please condition the hair to keep the hair healthy and keep a shine. Please let the hair sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly in warm water. Gently towel dry and remove excess water. That's it. They sent me this, and when I am working with your 18-inch closure, 24, 22, 20, and 18. So 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. And this is all that came in the box, literally. And like, I used all the hair, but I used 2.5 bundles. You know, reason being of why I used 2.5 bundles is because I wanted my bottom full and I wanted a little bit for the top. So I kept half of width to wrap around my top. And the rest, the pictures that you see, my intro and everything like that, all of that is literally one closure in 2 bundles. For real, like one closure in 2 bundles. Like I put the 24, I put the 22, and then I put like 2 tracks of the 20, and the rest of the 20 I twisted it into this ponytail. And this brown hair is just some straight track hair, some regular brown track hair that I dyed, and I thought it would add a little pop, so I wrapped it around it. But even in taking it, you know, out, it still would look fabulous. I mean, it really would look fabulous. I constructed this wig how I would normally construct my wigs, except for, again, this is curly hair. So all of my curly hair wigs are sewn completely onto a dome cap. So that's pretty much it. And that's really much all I can say.
You guys, I am back. So, like I said before, HairInbeauty have blessed me with your 18-inch closure. So we'll set that to the side. And we have 3 bundles. 24. 20. And 22. So 22, 20, 24, and 18-inch frontal. Love the packaging and the boxing. Very beautiful. Stay tuned for your video.
That is the end of this video. I just wanted to show you guys some styles and some different things to show you just how you can work this hair. I love it. I absolutely love it. I did not show any clips of how I constructed the wig or how I actually placed everything together, because normally I always show just the steps in that, and I have so many videos dealing with that on my channel. So if you want to see some more HairInbeauty reviews, please let me know. But you can go to their website yourself, so go check them out. Thank you so much, HairInbeauty. I do appreciate it. It's been muy bueno.